Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to fix edit your profile problem in TikTok. First step, open your phone settings. Scroll down, find here apps, tap on apps, tap on apps management. Now scroll down. You can see here TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Then tap on storage. Now you can see here clear data. Tap on clear data and tap on delete. Remember that if you delete your data, you have to need login again on your TikTok and then go back to your home screen. Now open your Play Store application. Tap on search and then search here TikTok. Update your TikTok application if it is available. Doing this process hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks all friends.